Hi, welcome to Jovilla channel. Today we are going to discuss some managers jobs present in Saudi Arabia. So we discuss this job and start this video. Amazing opportunity to work in Riyadh and Medina, Saudi Arabia. Currently hiring for contract managers, project control managers, forensic contract manager, claims, MEP managers and HSC managers. If you would like to discuss or know anyone who would be interested for the role, please reach me at you apply with confidence at the email ID of siti.badri at mrgpeopleasia.com. So apply with confidence and share this video with others that want people to grab these jobs. So also subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon button to get new video notifications when this video will come. Thank you.